At the beginning of the pandemic, some family members have been crying out to government to be given the right to bury their loved ones at the place of their choice, some citing cultural norms.
There were people buried who died from COVID, were buried at places which is not the place where they are staying. Do you have any information about whether these people can be reburied at their places or original?
On exhumation can only be done on the order of the court. If there is any family which intend to apply for exhumation, it can approach the court and then the court can grant the exhumation.
On when it is considered safe to exhume the bodies, the Deputy Minister of Health says 6 months might be the appropriate time.
Of course, the exhumation of bodies, we know that you need a court order for that one. Our SOPs are clear that after 6 months, whenever the family wants to put up a tombstone or whatever, they can do that after 6 months. So I would assume also, because this is the first time also that we will have a situation where we have to exhume bodies because of COVID. But I would want to assume that after 6 months, that is when one can also go to the court to apply for the court order.
At the time, the Ministry of Health refused to grant such a request, saying bodies of those who succumbed to COVID-19 have the possibility of passing on the virus to the next person. As a result, the ministry decided to handle COVID burials. Recently, government made a U-turn and announced that family members now have the right to bury their loved ones as long as they adhere to the ministry's set standards and regulations on the transportation and handling of the bodies. Timo Andreas, NBC News, Parliament.